Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tess here, and today I have another money making video for you guys. So today we're gonna be looking at websites that you can use to make money by simply doing short and simple tasks, or also you can get paid by doing surveys. So these are really high paying websites that you can use for surveys, not just simple. So they are not just any other websites, they are really high paying survey websites. I know most of the time people think that when you're doing surveys, you're simply wasting your time because the earnings are really low. But some of these websites, you can actually make quite an amount of money by doing surveys because their pay is pretty good. So I have used like four of these websites, and I can tell you guys that most of them are really good in terms of their payment. So if this is interesting for you, so stick around till the end. I'm gonna show you guys and walk you guys through this website. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification bell because I'm gonna be bringing you guys more of these money making videos. So let's get right into the video. So the first website that I want to show you guys is called LifePoint. And a LifePoint is a website where you get paid for surveys and rewards with LifePoint. So with LifePoint, your answers can help make a difference to the future products and services shaping the world around you. So you can even download the app or simply use their website to do the surveys. So most of the time, you either do these surveys either on your phone, your tablet, or your laptop. So some surveys will require you to actually do them on your laptop, while others you can simply do them on your phone. So the process of this is you simply sign up, start completing surveys, and you get paid. So normally with life points you earn points, so these points can later be converted to like a certain amount of money, and usually the minimum withdrawal for this is usually about €5. So I'm in Europe, so I'm gonna say €5, but most places or most surveys, if they're using dollars, and the minimum is usually like $5 withdrawal cash. So the minimum withdrawal cash. But others, you can find also certain websites that you can also withdraw with as little as €1. But yeah, for LifePoint, since I've used it, the minimum withdrawal I was able to do with was about €5. So you can either redeem as a gift card, or you can send your money through PayPal credit. All you have to do is join now and simply sign up and join LifePoint. So you can see here they say once you join up, you earn about 10 points. So you get 10 free points by simply joining the website. So the next website I want to show you guys is called Mobrog. And Mobrog, I can say, is one of the highest paying that I have used. As you can see here, this is actually my account I'm showing you guys, and you can see I have quite a number of surveys that I need to complete. So you can see for like a 15 minutes surveys, you have about €1.20 20 cents as payment. For a 10 minute survey, you have about 70 cents. So if you are doing this every day, you can actually accumulate a lot of money, and I've made quite amount of money with Mopro, guys. I have withdrawn quite amount from this website, and so also you can see that the minimum withdrawal is €5. So here you can see my current balance is about €1.49. And yeah, so once I complete the surveys and I get to €5, I can be able to um withdraw my €5. So usually the pay is usually quite fast. Once you withdraw, you have like in less than 10 to 20 minutes you already have the money in your PayPal account. So for Mobrog, the withdrawal method is usually by PayPal. So also make sure that with Mobrog, the emails that you use to register with are the same emails that you have registered your PayPal account with. So that's usually what the website usually states. And if you have a different email, usually there is a procedure you can inform the website, but on to be on the safe side, it's better to use the same email that you do have your PayPal. So you can see that Mobrog is in lots of countries. You can see here it has over 2.4 million members payout. It's in 74 plus countries. And so yeah, it's pretty worldwide. You can find it in most places. And yeah, it's also very easy to join, guys. Most of these websites you don't require too much. Simply sign up and start carrying out surveys. So most of these surveys are usually based on your location. So for example, for me, since I'm in Germany, I usually get most of these surveys for the target market in Germany. So if you're probably in another country like Italy or in Asia or in an African country, you probably get the surveys from that particular country. I would say that depending on the country where you're coming from, also it will depend on the surveys that are there. So sometimes, yeah, like for me, I get a lot of surveys since I'm in Germany and there are a lot of companies doing market research. So I would probably have more surveys to carry out and also high paying as compared to somebody who is also in another country. So also that is another thing to take note of. The next website I want to show you guys is called GrabPoints, and GrabPoints is also another website where you can earn free cash and gift cards by simply completing, just watching videos, taking surveys, or even by playing games. So on this website you can do more than just surveys. You can watch videos, play games, and much more simple tasks that you can carry out. So the rewards for this website on GrabPoints is basically from a €2 to €100 Amazon gift card. You can also withdraw to your PayPal account. You have Media Market. So another website that I want to show you guys is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is also another high-paying survey website that you can use. And here you get free gift cards or cash for everyday things that you do online. Here is how. So you earn points, play video games, shopping online, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points. So in Swagbox as well, there are different activities that you can do, like for example, shopping online, playing videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and also finding like good deals. So there are different ways you can earn from these. And you can simply get either gift cards or you can redeem your cash by simply using your PayPal account. And here you can see they have paid out over 756 million euros to the members of Swagbucks. So these are actually paying websites, guys. So the thing is, it's not that these are get quick rich schemes. They are simply websites that you can use to earn simple cash for yourselves on the site, especially as a student or if you have spare time or free time. Yeah, you can do this by things that you simply do on a normal basis. And all you have to do is simply sign up, join for free, sign up, and yeah, start receiving surveys. The last website that I want to show you guys is of My Voice Diggers. So My Voice Diggers is also another website that you can use to make money by completing online surveys. So this one is specifically only for surveys. I have used this one as well, and their cash out point is usually $10 or €10. So their cash out is a bit high. So once you get to the only moment that you can withdraw your cash is once you get to $10 or €10. But it's also another good and another high paying survey website as well. And all you have to do is sign up and start receiving the surveys today. So some of these websites you either fill out and get points and convert these points to cash, or some of them are simply you earn cash. So per survey, depending on the minutes, then they have a certain amount allocated to that survey based on the minutes it's having. So like Voice Diggers is per survey minute, then you have a certain amount of money or euro allocated to it, as well as Mobrog as well. But for Swagbucks, you have points and also life points as well. You have points that you have to convert to the cash. And for Grab points as well, you have cash. So that's the difference. But I have used most of these websites, guys, and I can tell you that I've been able to cash out from some of these websites. So some of them, yeah, you do require patience to be able to kind of like complete the surveys and get your money or get your points. But at the end of the day, it's worth it once you are able to cash out this money. These are the websites that I wanted to show you guys today. I hope they will be of great help to you guys. I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.